Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty Cake Snack. So if it's your first time stopping by, please can you subscribe? So if it's not your first time, you have been here, like, share, let us know how it's going with you trying our recipe. Today we are going to cook chicken sauce. With this chicken sauce, we will need chicken breast for it. And all these ingredients you see, that's what we are going to use. And this chicken sauce, you can eat rice with it, and you can also eat tagliatelle with it. So that is it. The egg one, yes, that is it. So that's what you can eat with it. You can eat it with rice, you can eat it with tagliatelle. It tastes amazing. It just busts flavors in your mouth. So what I'm going to do, the chicken breast is already cut, but not cut very well. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the chicken breast, the mushroom, the cucumber, the spring onions, the onions. Okay, we have sliced our mushroom and our onions, our spring onions. What we are going to do now, we are going to slice our zucchini. So that's what we are going to slice. That is our zucchini, being chopped. So now we go for the pepper. So now we come to the chicken. So we just take our chicken like that. Piece by piece. You don't need to. It's already shredded. Yeah, that's our chicken. So what I'm doing now, I'll just put some salt on it. Just mix it up, so that you are sure the salt went in. So that is it. Our oil in the pan. Remember, we always season the chicken with just salt. Nothing more than just salt. So now we just put our onions after letting the chicken cook for a while. So we put our onions on it. Still just let it cook. After that we put our zucchini in. So that is our zucchini, just go in. That really looks nice. Now we put our pepper in. That's our pepper. So we have two types of pepper here. We have chili too. So now we put our pepper in. Our soya sauce. And after that, here goes our mushroom. So now we put our spring onions in. So now that all the ingredients is in, all we have to do now, we just let it cook for a while. You don't close it, you just leave it open, just let it season away. So now what we do now, we put apple juice on it. It just balances the flavor. If you don't want to put apple juice on it, you can put a little bit of water, but you're not going to have the same result. But when you put 100% apple juice, this is 33 cl. It's not too much, but it just balances the flavor. If you are like me that like to eat easier food, trust me, you will want to put it on. It just balances it. Because some people like this recipe, you can put sugar on it. But I rather prefer not to put sugar. I rather prefer to put apple juice on it. It just balances it. Extra. Real. So that is the apple juice I use. 33 centiliters. So that is it. I just put a little bit of salt on it. When you look at the packet, they always put how long to cook it. So you have to cook it the minute time. You can see it says 8 to 10 minutes. 8 is identical. If you don't want it too soft, if you want it soft, you have to cook it 10 minutes. So you just have to look at the packet. It depends, because you will see some that will say 7 minutes. We see some 6 minutes. So this one is 8 to 10 minutes, and I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes. So I'm going to take half of the packet. Like that, I'm good. I'll just let that cook for 10 minutes. So our tagliatelle have been cooking for 10 minutes now. What we are going to do, we are going to drain the water out. That's it. So now we are going to clean it up. So we are plating up. just take the sauce, you pour it on it like that, and for the rice you do the same. For the other side of it, it just goes around it like that. So that is how you eat it. You can eat it this way, you can eat it this way, or this way. Any way you eat it, it tastes amazing. So that is our chicken sauce. Look at it, so yummy, yummy, yummy. Tagliatelle. Then we have it with rice. One sauce to eat two different meals.